वेल ट्राइम ने इंडिया में स्पीड 400 को लॉन्च करके तो तहलका ही मचा दिया था, बट ट्राइम अपनी एग्जिस्टिंग स्पीड 4 को और एक्सेसिबल बनाना चाहते थे, सो दे बॉट दिस, द स्पीड T4. Look-wise, it looks as good as Speed 400, a typical modern classic roadster. हाँ, बट थोड़े डाउनग्रेड थे साथ। आपको Speed 400 की स्पेक शीट तो पता ही है। अब देखते हैं स्पीड के कंपैरिजन में T4 में क्या-क्या मिसिंग है। सो Speed 400 से जो मेजर चेंज हुआ है दैट इज द टेलीस्कोपिक फोक। Speed 400 में USD फोक्स आता है, बट इसमें टेलीस्कोपिक फोक्स आते हैं। सो पीछे का टायर भी स्पीड से छोटा एज इन 140 सेक्शन में आता है। सो दूसरे मेजर चेंज की बात करें तो T4 में अब पावर कम हो गई है, लेकिन टॉर्क अभी भी ऑलमोस्ट सेम ही है एंड गियरबॉक्स भी अभी सेम ही है, बट ट्रायम्फ ने फ्लाईव्हील का वेट थोड़ा इंक्रीज कर दिया है एंड रियर स्प्रॉकेट भी छोटा कर दिया है, विच इज नाउ 39 टूथ एज कम्पेयर टू 43 ऑन द स्पीड। एंड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स में अभी राइड बाय वायर एंड ट्रैक्शन कंट्रोल नहीं आता एंड बाकी इंस्ट्रूमेंट क्लस्टर सेम ही है। सो ये हो गई कुछ मिसिंग फीचर्स की बातें। तो अब देखते हैं T4 में कॉमन या फिर यूनिक क्या क्या है। जैसे कि हो गए टैंक पे ये नए ग्राफिक्स एज इन 400 का टेक्स्ट एंड ऊपर भी मल्टी कलर का स्टिकरिंग विद द नेम T4। उसी के साथ ये नई सीट विच लुक्स इंस्पायर्ड फ्रॉम द स्क्रैम्बलर बट इट्स अ सिंगल पीस एंड साइड में स्पीड T4 की बैजिंग एंड completely blacked out matte finished exhaust and exhaust pipe. Well, everybody has their own preferences, but this blacked out treatment doesn't give me a sporty feeling, but it looks cheap. एंड उसी के साथ आपको दोनों व्हील्स पे ये ग्राफिक्स स्ट्रिप्स भी मिलती है। So fit and finish wise and the quality wise, the T4 is as good as Speed 400. There is no place to complain about the panel gaps or the quality issues or the weldings or anywhere, nothing like that. जैसे मैंने पहले कहा था कि स्पीड T4 एक डाउनग्रेडेड या फिर अफोर्डेबल वर्जन है स्पीड 400 का, सो मोस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स आर ऑलमोस्ट सेम, like headlamps, tail lamps, buttons on the handlebar, even the instrument cluster. And talking about the clutch भी light है, it's similar to Speed 400 and it's perfectly in a reach for your hands or for your fingers, you could say. So let's talk about the seating position, how comfortable it is and like can you accommodate on this. So talking about seat, it's soft. And if we talk about the rider's triangle, then it's same as Speed 400, nothing has changed. And seat height की बात करें, then my height is 5'9" and I'm completely able to flat foot on this. And कभी आपको मोटरसाइकिल को आगे या पीछे करना है, then that's gonna be very easy job for you. And it's not as tough as Scrambler 400X. Okay then, so let's go riding. Okay, so let's have a quick acceleration test at the beginning. Oh, what was that? Okay, fine. Okay. Okay, it's fine. I mean, the torque rush coming out of it is like nice. It's sweet. It's same as Speed 400. Because initially मैंने कुछ ऐसा imagine किया था कि because of reduction in the power, that accelerating feel might go low, but it's not the case. And torque almost low RPM पे available है, so it can easily pull. See, look at this. It can pull easily on the third gear without making any kind of heft or any kind of stress. So आप अगर कोई 200cc या फिर 350 classic से shift होने वाले हो, then you gonna feel this torque like it touches 80 in like no time. So जब Triumph ने announce किया था कि they are launching T4, that too even cheaper than the Speed 400, I was like, why one more budget offering? Speed already एक budget oriented and perfect package है. But the way they have tuned this engine, I really liked it. I mean, this is perfect for the cities. It has a low end torque. It can ride smoothly. It doesn't make you feel कि you need to rush. I felt it like it's smooth on like higher gears and nothing like a scrambler or a speed. जहाँ पे you feel to shift and like rev it more. So it's better. It's nice. एंड दूसरी तरफ ये आपके पॉकेट के लिए भी अच्छा होने वाला है, बिकॉज लो पावर एज इन इट विल डेफिनेटली गिव द हायर माइलेज एज कम्पेयर टू द स्पीड और स्क्रैम्बलर विच इज़ गिविंग अराउंड 25 मे बी 19 also in this city. And also sprocket भी छोटा हो गया है, so that will sum up around like having a higher mileage than the speed. Well, so as I was talking about, like it's good in the city, it doesn't mean that it's bad on the highway. सो जैसे ट्रायम ने इसके फ्लाइम का वेट ज़्यादा किया है, पीछे का पॉकेट छोटा हो गया है, एंड द टॉर्क इज अवेलेबल एट द लोअर आरपीएम. Also the gearbox is still same as speed. So when you sum these things up, it gives you a refined engine with the same kind of gearbox and with a small sprocket. Then you will be able to cruise with the lower RPM on higher speeds than the speed. So ये practically speed से better option हो जाता है for the highway cruising. We need to stand before we dive into this bump. Okay. Okay. Let's see how is the saddling position on this. Okay. No. It's a kind of a weird. The handlebar is too low. You can't do the saddling on this. Go and get the scrambler for that. Okay. So initially we discussed about how is it to ride in the city, how is it to ride in the highway. I mean highway cruising and all. But let's come back to the city. As ये एक कॉम्पैक्ट मोटरसाइकिल है एंड इट्स वे कॉम्पैक्ट लाइक सिमिलर टू द हंटर एंड इट्स रियली इजी एंड फ्लिकेबल इन द सिटी. आई मीन यू कैन लिटरली ट्विस्ट लाइक इजीली फ्रॉम राइट टू द लेफ्ट एंड इसके कॉम्पैक्ट नेचर की वजह से इट कैन एकोमोडेट अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल, अ लॉट ऑफ एजिंग लाइक पीपल ऑफ डिफरेंट साइजेस एंड डिफरेंट हाइट्स. सो इट्स गोना बी अ पैकेज फॉर एवरीवन, for the people with the less small height and people with the large height as well. So I just had to mention अभी तक जो बोला दो were like a good sides. I mean it's a perfectly motorcycle and there should be a good sides and ये good sides थे. So why speed is better? Speed 400 will be better than this. Then जो torque rush, I mean the acceleration जो feel होता है speed में, that is some another level. This is also good, but it's not that level of the speed 400 or the Scrambler 400. You feel the rush, you feel that pull when you accelerate. It's not there in the T4. You get the same torque, but that adrenaline is some another level on that speed 400. But if you are looking to buy a Hunter, then this is going to be the way better choice for you. It's on the another league than the Hunter. It has more torque, it has like everything better than the Hunter. So if you're planning to buy the Hunter, then it's better to go for the T4, and now you are getting T4 for the same price as a Hunter. So it's better to go for the T4 any day. Okay, so let's come to the last point, which is suspension. And bhai, ये suspension stiff है. It's stiff. You need to stand each and every time to when you cross the speed, I mean the speed bump or like anything, you just need to stand because you can feel every bump, every pothole. Well, the stiffness is good because you get that sporty feeling. It's better to handle like while cornering and like everywhere apart from the grip of the tire. I mean those are the cheaper now. Yeah, so stiffness is fine. Okay, चलो एक बार 0 to 100 टेस्ट करके देखते हैं if the traffic allows to do that. But let's see. Okay. पीछे देखते हैं पहले. Okay, let these motorcycles pass. Okay, and let's go. That's it. Okay. It's tough to get to the top speed at this kind of a road, but yeah, it's overall a great package. Do prefer it if you are going to. So वीडियो एंड करने से पहले बस एक रिक्वेस्ट है कि हमारे सिर्फ 200 सब्सक्राइबर हो गए अभी तक. So guys, please subscribe. It's free for you and it will really help me to create more videos as subscriber counts goes up. I mean it's easy for me to ask for the motorcycles for the review. So please do subscribe and let's meet in the next video. By then, do share this video with your friends and see you. Bye bye.